All right, so today we're going to be reviewing asexual and sexual reproduction and the differences between the two. Asexual reproduction means one parent. A parent, asexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction, there are two parents, so you're going to have two parents in sexual reproduction. Pretty straightforward. But if you need help remembering that, asexual, a parent, one parent. Now I'm going to skip down a little bit and we're going to look at the number of the times the cell divides. And it's going to divide 2 times when it has 2 parents. If there's only one parent, it's going to divide 1 time. So now we're going to go back up to the offspring compared to the parent. In asexual reproduction, it's making those clones, so the offspring is going to be the exact same as the parent. Whereas in sexual reproduction, if you look at a litter of puppies or kittens or anything that reproduces, even humans, the offspring look different. They are genetically different than the parent. The cells are going to be different. So the sperm or the egg cells that are created in meiosis are different than what the parent contains in the chromosomes. The type of cell division for asexual reproduction is mitosis. And I always tell my students, asexual is making identical copies of the cell. So in mitosis, I, in the M-I-T, the I means identical. Meiosis is sexual reproduction, and meiosis is sexual reproduction. That's just one you kind of have to remember. And then if you look at the number of cells created in asexual and sexual reproduction, sexual creates 4 cells. So if I have 2 divisions, I take a piece of paper, I rip it once, and then I put them all together, and I rip it the second time, we have 4 pieces of paper. In asexual, if I'm only dividing once, so I'm going to have 2 pieces of paper left over. The number of chromosomes in each cell, in general, if the divisions are occurring correctly in sexual reproduction, you should have half the number of chromosomes from the parent cell to the offspring cell at the end of the cell division. Whereas asexual, again, they're making those copies, making clones. It should be the same number of chromosomes. If you have questions, please contact your teacher and we will be glad to help you understand the differences between asexual and sexual reproduction. All right, thanks.